Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Indian in my classroom. This video is the continuation of the previous video, how to open a blocked account, travel insurance and health insurance. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you to watch it first. So today we will see how to get a blocked amount confirmation. Finally, I will be showing you my 06 blocked amount confirmation, health insurance, travel insurance documents. You will be receiving an email from Expatrio once our application has been approved. To initiate the money transfer to your blocked account, go to your blocked account section, click on My Payment. Click on Initiate Payment. Select the country of the payment and tick the box below. Click on Next. Review your amount and continue to the next page. Click on Next. I have chosen International Bank Transfer as a payment method here. If you transfer more than 7 lakhs from an account, it would impose a tax on it. So, I am planning to do it through SBI Bank in 2 transactions to reduce this tax. You can also do a domestic bank transfer which requires you to fill an A2 form and upload it back to your user account. So, I will be making a separate video on this international and domestic transfer and will be adding a link to this timestamp. Continue to the next page. Tick on the box here and click on Finish. So our transfer is initiated. Now download the 05 opening confirmation document. You need to take this document to the bank for payment transfer. After payment, you need to upload the payment receipt in the transfer proof section here. I did the payment in 2 transactions from 2 different accounts of my parents. Then merged the 2 SBI payment receipt and uploaded it here. Payment transfer from my mother's account got reflected soon. So I received a partial amount received mail after 1 day. You can see the transfer amount reflected here. Some euros are lost in transfer. But don't worry, we have a buffer amount of 100 euros which compensate for it. Moreover, it's written insufficient fund here, which means my second transfer hasn't reached yet. After a few hours, I got a blocked amount confirmation mail. You can see the amount reflected in Expatrio. The status has changed to awaiting activation. After arriving in Germany, you need to activate your blocked account by clicking on Activate here. In order to activate, you need your German address, new bank account details like IBAN number and visa documents. Similarly, we need to activate the TK Public Health Insurance too after arriving in Germany. To activate the TK Public Health Insurance, go to the Insurance section and click on the TK Public Health Insurance and click on Activate after reaching Germany. So the next step is to download the 06 confirmation. Go to the download section under the documents. Download the 06 blocked account confirmation and blocked account statement. These are the required documents for visa process. After clicking on 06, there will be a dialog box which requires you to choose the authority who will be handling our visa. I have chosen Bangalore here. This is how 06 blocked amount confirmation looks. Check if your personal details are right and the amount equals to the amount mentioned in the latest visa checklist, which is 10,322 euros as of now. This is how TK Public Health Insurance looks. Check your personal details and your membership date. This date should cover the dates from start of your September. In most cases, it would be October 1. Similarly, this is how travel insurance looks. Check your personal details and dates. You can also change the date of the travel insurance if required. This insurance covers the date in between the arrival and the start of semester. So, this is how I opened my blocked account, health insurance and a free travel insurance from Expatrio. Hope you liked this video. If you have any doubts, please share it in the comment section below. And go to the next video because it is about visa application form filling. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos in Indian in my classroom.